Yes, hello students, welcome back and let's today quickly complete the topic. मतलब practice set 1.3 खत्म कर देते हैं since it's the third lecture I am recording for the same practice set and I hope you all have just tried solving that remaining questions, remaining last three questions and I'll record that for you today so that if you're having any doubt you can go through the lecture series. Okay, let me share my white blackboard and we'll go ahead. I hope my screen is visible to you, isn't it? So just a second, I'll just share the textbook also. Give me a time, give me a moment, and let me share my entire screen only. Okay, so I have shared my entire screen. I hope the textbook is visible. We have completed question number one, two, and three. Now, question which are remaining is question number four, question number five, and question number six. The questions are extremely easy. Again, if I talk about question four, nothing to rearrange, nothing to uh, think upon. Only we need to follow the steps which we discussed in the previous class and we need to solve the question accordingly. Same with question five, question four and five are very easy, like no headache. Question six, it's in the constant here, which is given, it is in the form of fraction. Again, let us not talk about it now. Let us come to that question. Let's complete and then we will think what to do, what should we do, right? So at present, let's start with question number four. Okay, I hope my blackboard is visible. Let us use some good color. Question number four. I'll switch off my camera so that entire screen view is visible to you. Okay, just let me expand that. Okay, and let me just increase the thickness a little bit. Okay, so question number four. I'll just switch off my video now so that you have a good screen view. Okay, so question number four tells that 6x minus 4y, 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12 and 8x. I'll just write it below now. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Okay, and here we need to compare it. So we'll get a1, a2, b1, b2, C1 and C2. Okay, C1, C2 तो दिख रहा है -12 and -2. Any questions? B1, B2 भी अपने को इधर से मिल जाएगा, it is -4 and -3. And what is A1 and A2? It is 6 and 8. Okay. Students, if you think, if you have directly come to this lecture and you have missed anything, I request you to go back to lecture number 3. Just see the prerequisite, how to solve the given simultaneous equations, given linear equations using Kramer rule or determinant method. Just go through the previous lecture. All the prerequisites are mentioned. There are four steps which we need to go through. First, you need to find d, then dx, then dy, and then using Kramer's rule, you need to find x and y. Okay, so just go through that lecture series if you have missed it so that your concepts are clear. Now we need to find determinant. Determinant we are finding using A1, A2 and B1, B2. Okay, so here it would be what is A1, A2? It is 6 and 8. What is B2? It is, sorry, B1, B2, it is -4, -3. Just solve it. Use the brackets to avoid the mistake. 6 into -3. If you are still not getting this determinant solving wala part, I would suggest please go through the previous lecture series. Let me use some pinky ponky color and let me tell you that we always follow method of cross multiplication. Okay. Let's go ahead then. तो इधर आ जाएगा -4 into 8. ठीक है. So here it would be 6 into -3. इधर ही लिखते हैं, रुक जाओ. Here it would be 6 into -3 is -18 minus of -32, which is equal to -18 plus 32, which is equal to 32 minus 18, which is equal to 14 and sign of greater number. So here it's only 14. Okay, I hope I'm very clear. Let's go for the x वाला concept now. dx के बदले इधर आ जाएगा constant c1 c2 and here it would be b1 b2 as it is, which is equal to constants क्या दिया है देखो जरा. It is -12 and -2. Here it is -4 and -3. Okay. So let's use brackets to avoid the mistake. So it would be -12 into -3 minus, here it would be -4 -2 into -4. Okay, pay attention here. So here it would be -2 into -12 into -3 is 36, minus -2 into -4 is +8, right? So it is 36 minus 8, which is equal to 28. Perfect. Any queries? No. Shall I go ahead? Let's find dy now. dy is equal to a1 a2 c1 c2, which is equal to -12 -2. No, no, so sorry, so sorry. We are finding a1 a2 c1 c2 means we are finding dy. So here it would be 6 and 8. Here it would be -12 and -2. Okay, I don't know why this 2 is not coming good. Let me write again -12 and -2. Now it's pretty cool. Use brackets to avoid error. So here it would be 6 into -12 minus -12 into 8. Am I wrong? Am I right? Am I right, students? Either 2 bola or likha 12. Half of the time I am only jumbled with the paper. What is going on? So you need to be very careful since there are a lot of minus sign and do not make silly errors. Okay, -12 into 8 aa jayega idhar. So shall I start solving? What is 6 into -2? It is -12. Okay, -12 minus 96, minus of -96 आएगा. Minus of -96, which is equal to -12 plus 96, which is equal to -12 plus 96 कितना होता है? It is 84. Okay. So now by Kramer's rule, find the answer. By Kramer's rule, we need what? X is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So what will be that? 28 upon 14, which is equal to 2. Here it would be dy upon d. So here it is 84 upon 14, which is equal to 6. Therefore, the solution set will be x comma y is equal to 2 comma 6 is the solution set. I hope I am very clear, isn't it? So just let me exit the full screen view and this is the solution. If you want, do let me know so that I can just give you or provide you with the solution part. Okay, it's pretty easy. The questions are really very easy, mind you. Just do not make errors and see whenever you feel that something is going wrong, please just wait at that moment, check your answer again and do let me know that what is going wrong or do tell me what you are thinking of. Okay, and let's go ahead then. Let's go ahead. Let's go for question number 5th. What is question number 5th? Dealing about, question number 5th is dealing about 4m plus 6n is equal to 54 and 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Okay, so just a second, I'll just solve it for you. Oh no, ये क्या हो गया? Suddenly it's doing Shirshasana now. Okay, okay, got it. Here a question. Let's start. Let me use some other color. Let's solve question number 5 now. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. And what is the other equation? 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Isn't it? Now you need to again same step. A1 is equal to A2 is equal to B1 is equal to B2 is equal to C1 is equal to C2 is equal to. What is A1, A2? It is 4, it is 3, it is 6, it is 2, it is C1 and C2, it is 54. And what is C2? It is 28. Okay. So next D is equal to, I hope now you all can do it. Okay. So now just check answer rather than thinking upon it. I hope I have given you enough time. So here it would be 4, 3, 6, 2. The question seems to be easy since there are no minus sign. मतलब minus sign रहता है तो भी question difficult नहीं होता. The chances of error increases. This question seems to be easy. तो इधर आ जाएगा 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3 8 में से गया 18 तो बचा -10. Please be sure with the answers. If you feel anything is suspicious, anything is going wrong, it's your duty. You are going to stop us there and there itself and you are going to tell me. Okay, let's continue. Find dx now. Dx will be c1, c2, b1, b2. What is c1, c2? C1, c2 is 54 and 28. And what is b1, b2? It is 6 and 2. Yeah, the calculation might be bigger, but you should be very good in your calculation. You should be thorough with the concepts of multiplication as well. Minus here it will be 16 to 28. Now, if you want, I'll just show the working for you so that you are not doing any errors. So let me take some green color and let us solve. क्या था 54 into 2 मतलब 54 into 2 मतलब 2 बार 54 so 4 4 8 5 5 10 so here it is what 108 minus 28 into 6 so 6 8s are 48 4 carry over 2 6 are 12 12 and 4 16 so answer is 168 so minus 168 minus 168. I hope I am very clear students. So next ये हो गया तो ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो तुमको मिल जाएगा -60. लेट्स गो अहेड वंस यू गेट माइनस क्या है आपने को -60 दैट इज डी. अच्छा guys mind you students see again here it is given the coefficients are m and n m and n. So to be on safer side here we should write dm not x dm. ठीक है dm याद रखना dm. Now next part will be dn. dn is equal to what? dn is equal to nothing but a1 a2 c1 c2 which is equal to 4 3 54 28. Okay, and here it would be 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. So 28 fours are it is 112 जहां तक मुझे याद आ रहा है and 54 threes are at 162. ठीक है तो ये आ जाएगा -50. Here it would be -50. Okay. Now using Cramer's rule, again be careful once you are using Cramer's rule, do not make any mistake by Cramer's rule. You will get value of m and n. Mind you student इधर x और y है ही नहीं तो उसका वैल्यू किधर से निकाल रहे हो इधर अपने पास m और n है. We are having m and n so dm upon d is equal to -60 upon -10 which is equal to 60 upon 10 which is equal to 6. Okay, and n के लिए we are going to write dn upon d, which is equal to minus 50 upon minus 50 upon minus 10, which is equal to 50 upon 10, which is equal to 5. ठीक है? Just be careful with the answer. Okay? Just go through the question. If you are having any doubts, do let me know. Okay? Okay, so let us start with the last question of the exercise, which seems to be danger, but to be very honest, it's not danger. It's a good question. Okay, I'll just show you all the question here. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so just follow the same steps, same procedure, nothing to worry about, and we'll go ahead. No worries. Chalo. What is the question? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. पहला इक्वेशन तो बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है शोनू मोनू सा. Talking about next equation, x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. ये इक्वेशन में थोड़े changes. So rather than bringing any changes, what we can do is now we can just compare the equation directly and we will solve it. It will be more easy on our part. A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 1, B1 is equal to 3, if I'm not wrong, B2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, C1 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, let's go ahead. इधर से कुछ भी डाउट नहीं रहेगा, I think so, and presuming that I'm going ahead. So D is equal to A1, A2, B1, B2, isn't it? Here it would be 2, 1, here 2, 1, then 3 minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 upon 2, and here minus 3 into 1 as it is. Use the brackets na, to avoid confusion. Go ahead, keep on solving. This would be really easy. क्या आ जाएगा अपने को? It's simple. It's simple. Don't make it complicated. It's extremely simple. ये 2 कट हो गया, बचा minus 1 minus 3. क्या आया इसका आंसर? minus 4. खत्म. Let's go for dx now. Dx is equal to C1 C2 B1 B2, ठीक है, which is equal to 2 1 by 2 3 minus 1 by 2, ठीक है, is equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 5 by 2, ठीक है. use the brackets if you are confused. अभी समझेगा. तो d क्या मिला आपने को फिलहाल? dx we got, it is minus 5 by 2. Let's go for dy now. dy is equal to a1 a2 c1 c2 बराबर है ना? हाँ, okay, cool. Then 2 1 2 1 upon 2. See the questions of fraction आया ना, मतलब fraction आ गया ना तो भी चलता है, अच्छे questions है, not bad. It's solving part उल्टा easy हो जाता है कभी कभी. So just follow the same procedure. Okay, ये हो गया 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2 into 1, बराबर ना, या कुछ गलत हो रहा है? माइनस 2 into 1, हाँ बराबर है. तो ये हो जाएगा 2 minus 2. ऐसा एक मिनट 10 सेक. ये तो होएगा ना 1 1 minus 2 होएगा. So sorry, 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 1. This is your dy. Now you just need to use Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, So once you use Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Okay. So here it should be no इधर confusion नहीं होएगा -5/2 upon -4 which is equal to मैं पूरा सॉल्व करके दिखा रहा हूँ so that there is no confusion prevailing -5/2 into ये तुम लोग ने इंडाइसिस में पढ़ा रहेगा लॉ ऑफ इंडाइसिस यूज किया मैंने इधर which is equal to 5/8 and let's talk about y वाला पार्ट मैं इधर से रब कर देता हूँ ठीक है so y is equal to dy by d which is equal to -1 upon -4 which is equal to 1 upon 4 ठीक है so what is the solution oh my god क्या हो गया what is the solution ये रहा therefore solution is x comma y is equal to 5/8 comma 1 upon 4 ठीक है is the solution done ठीक है so I hope these questions were clear if you look at the question we have completed the entire exercise okay there is not a single question which we have left so just try and again I have something for you to try as well I want you all to try this exercise try okay so that's all from my side we'll meet with problem set wala exercise 1.4 problem set we will just solve that exercise very soon also after that problem set baki and graphical method baki hai. So don't worry we will definitely solve that and till then continue studying and after we complete this topic I will go ahead with geometry ka topic 1 okay and if you have any preference do let me know we have completed two topics of algebra one is probability and one is linear equation so now I need to go ahead with geometry ka ek topic ho gaya hai trigo and second topic will be our similarity of triangles ठीक है so do let me know if there are any requirements okay bye bye stay tuned and have a good day